You ask an AI agent to make a report, a spreadsheet, or a draft. It says done. You go looking for the file, and it is not there. That does not always mean the agent failed. Sometimes it saved the file exactly where its tool thought it should go, just not where you were looking. This happens because every tool has a working directory. If you give the agent a vague instruction or a relative path, the file resolves against wherever that agent is running at the time. That might be a temporary folder, a project root, or a sandbox you cannot browse. From your point of view, the file vanished. From the agent's point of view, it wrote to a perfectly valid location. The mistake is the gap between your mental map and the tool's actual file system. The fix is boring, but it works. Name one output folder up front. Give the full absolute path. Ask the agent to confirm that path before it writes. Then have it list the folders so you both agree where the file is going. After the file is written, check it. Does it exist? Is the size plausible? Is it in the shared folder, not just a scratch area? That one check catches the rare miss before it becomes a lost output or an overwrite. Different tools behave differently. A disconnected agent can write to a real folder if you point it there. A sandbox tool may write into a temporary container. If you need to keep that file, move it or download it before the session expires. So the lesson is simple. Do not let file saving be implied. Make the destination explicit, confirm before writing, and verify after. We test these workflow problems in the AI Production Lab. Come see what else we have built at aaprostudios.com.